Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to delete Facebook page permanently. First of all, I'm clicking on this page option and here you will get your all the pages. So I'm selecting the page which I want to permanently delete. I'm just clicking on it. After that, I scroll down here and you will find the settings option. Click on it. And here scroll down to the bottom, then you will find this option, remove page, delete your page. Click above delete your page and now click on permanently delete outsourcing to BD. I'm clicking on it. Once you delete a page, you will not be able to get it back. If you think you will want to come back to your page in the future, you can unpublish it instead of deleting. So are you sure want to delete outsourcing to BD? If you want to really delete your Facebook page, then you have to click on this delete button. And now I'm refreshing my Facebook. After that, I'm again clicking on this page option. And right now here we can't see the outsourcing to BD Facebook page because of I deleted the page permanently. This is how we can delete Facebook page permanently. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.